Fish flying in the sky? Or your friend turning into a mermaid? Are you going to eat a flip-flop for lunch? Do you think we're having sunstroke? Nope! We're just going to show you new funny summer pranks. Blondie is getting ready to go to a beach. She must have taken all she needs. A beach towel, a snack, sunscreen. What else? Flip-flops! And while Blondie is looking for her shoes, Cindy sneaks in her special flip-flop on a plate. Cut a flip-flop sole out of paper. Melt white chocolate. Spread it over wafers and join them together. Cut off the excess, tracing the sole shape. Cover the wafers with food coloring, replicating the real flip-flop pattern. Apply the melted white chocolate to the side of the sole. Cut licorice candies at an angle. Make 3 round holes in the wafer sole. Stick in the licorice candies to imitate the belts. Blondie can't manage to find another flip-flop. How strange! Why is it on a plate? And why does it smell so good? Well, here is cutlery. Blondie cuts the delicious flip-flop. Crunch! Let's have a snack before going to the beach. And meanwhile, Cindy puts the real flip-flops back. Blondie is busy building something in the sand. Hurry up! Call the architects! Bring building equipment and supplies. A huge construction is going to be here. A sandcastle with seashell decorations. The construction is in full swing. Blondie is almost ready to lease her castle to tourists. But she hasn't expected this trick from the sea. The castle is heavily damaged by a tsunami. Blondie is disappointed. All her constructing efforts have been for nothing. However, her friend's castle is safe and sound. No tidal wave can ruin it. I wonder what her secret is. Take a rectangular base of extruded polystyrene foam, cardboard, or foam plastic. Construct castle towers on it using appropriate plastic containers. Hot glue to secure. Make a castle wall with a battlement from extruded polystyrene foam. Leave the main entrance open. Let seahorses guard it. Hot glue them to the base. Cover the entire surface of the castle with acrylic ground paint. Coat it with clear acrylic lacquer and sprinkle it with sand nicely. Repeat it a few times to apply 2 or 3 sand layers. Decorate the castle with seashells. Hot glue them to the sand. Daisy has a real architectural masterpiece. This Rococo epic castle can stand up to a lot of waves. Moreover, the sandcastle is movable, so we can take it along to a photo shoot. We've been lying down for so long that we will stick to the sand soon. It's high time to go for a walk, and I've prepared special flip-flops so that it's easier for my friend to walk on the hot sand. Draw big flippers on thick cardboard. Cut them out with a utility knife. Attach rubber flip-flops to the flippers. Come on! Redhead puts on her flip-flops. Oops! It seems they are a few sizes bigger. Flippers appear from the sand. Redhead can make only a few steps. No, she's definitely not an amphibian girl. The sea must have swallowed my friend. She has been swimming for hours. She will turn into a fish this way. Redhead comes out of the sea like a marine goddess. She has been swimming for so long that she has started turning into a mermaid. She doesn't have a tail yet, but some scales have appeared on her body. Cut out felt pieces. Snip out emerald sequin strings to be of the same width as the felt and attach the strings in overlapping rows to get a fish scale effect. Attach double-sided tape to the other side. Bewildered Blondie examines her friend. It's so weird! The scales reflect the sunlight so beautifully, and Redhead is happy to share her sparkling scales with her friend. Take some! Feel like a mermaid! The girls are looking for the best lagoon to have a rest in. The sun is shining, the waves are lapping. Daisy keeps blowing soap bubbles, and Blondie has already built up her biceps by rowing. At last, they find an excellent place for a rest. Did your friend go for a swim? Let her meet a little sea friend. This is my cute jellyfish, Louise. Cut a circle out of plastic film. Thread light, thin ribbon through a needle. Pass the ribbon through the perimeter of the circle and gather the film. Shape a jellyfish body. Cut a separate piece of the film into long strips. Pass the ribbon through each strip. Pull up the ribbon to make the strips wavy like jellyfish arms. Tie the arms to the jellyfish body with the ribbon. Fill a clear plastic bag with water and tie it up. Leave some air in it so that the jellyfish can float. Put the bag into the jellyfish. Pull up and tie up the ribbon. Daisy keeps swimming without suspecting any danger, but Jellyfish Louise is coming close. I pull it up with fishing line. Hello! Jellyfish Louise is actually a very nice pet, but my friend doesn't know it. She jumps out of the sea. Don't be afraid. Louise won't hurt you. It's not a real jellyfish. Redhead dozes off while sunbathing. Perfect time for a simple beach prank. Put a turtle toy on your friend's body. Apply foundation to the skin around the toy. Make it look like a tan. I wake up my friend. She sits and throws off the turtle. But then she notices a pale turtle trace on her body. Did this reptile really spoil my tan? Redhead is in despair. Calm down, it's just a prank. You can wipe it off easily. It's a hot summer afternoon, but Redhead is sunbathing without a hat. This fashionista thinks that neither a bandana nor a hat can suit her. She's afraid it will spoil her beach hairdo. But I know how to make her change her mind. Redhead lies down in the sun. All of a sudden, a huge fish flies above her. Oh, darling, it seems that I have sunstroke. I can see flying fish. Cut a big fish image into parts. Take fabric of different marine shades. Tape the paper fragments to the fabric. Be sure to make allowances. Cut out all the parts, interchanging the colors. Decorate the fins with organza. Hot glue the fish. Cover the seams with sequin strings. Cut out an eye out of yellow satin ribbon. Add a blue pupil. Turn over the fish and make a construction to hold the kite. Make a skeleton out of bamboo skewers. Cut out drinking straws. Fasten the skewers in the straw pieces. Hot glue to the fabric. Thread fishing line from the front and tie up to secure the skewers. My kite frightens Redhead pretty seriously. There can't be any fish in the sky. It must be a sign of sunstroke. She covers her head without a murmur. And my fish kite keeps flying in the sky. Everyone has a friend who will keep you busy even on a beach. You have to give her a hat, sunglasses, a phone for a selfie, hand over sunscreen, and find a swimming mask. Take an old swimming mask. Use hot glue to attach seashells to the inside of the mask. Put clear blue slime on top of it. Spread it among the seashells. Once, my friend needs my help so badly. I've got an unusual swimming mask. Let's see how she will manage diving on her own. The SeaWorld will be right before her eyes. Did you like our beach ideas for summer pranks? Then hurry up and write in your comments how you are going to prank your friends on vacation. Will you make fake jellyfish or a wafer flip-flop? Or will you build a weird sandcastle? And don't forget to give your thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new funny summer prank ideas on the Troom channel.